So over here, you can see that I have this particular window right here. And then right now you can see that I have the menu bar right here, and I got a lot of elements right here in the UI and so forth. So let's see if I want to go ahead and change the screen mode so that I can view more of this particular area. Then in that case, I can actually go ahead and press this shortcut key. I can press Shift F on my keyboard right here. And once you do that, you can actually see that the menu right here, it actually goes ahead and expands right here, just like this, so that I only see the menu right here. It's like a full screen menu right here, just like this, and I can see more area of Lightroom. I can press Shift F again, and then it goes more full screen. In that case, you can see that now I don't see the menu bar anymore. Press Shift F again, and you can see that you get back this particular window, just like this. So over here, apart from that, you can also see that you can collapse out certain sections right here by pressing the triangle key right here. Click on it again and you get it back. Click on it right here, just like this, to collapse this, and this is what you have. You can go ahead and collapse this and expand this out, as you can see right here, just by clicking right there, just like that, as you can see right there. So now you can also go ahead right here, and let's say, for example, right click right here, just like this, and you can see that right now it's auto hide and show. But if I were to go to auto hide, then you can see that as I hover over, you can see that you get auto hide right here, and as I hover outside, it auto hides that out. You can also go for manual, and once you do manual, what happens is that it does not actually go around and auto hide, but you have to click. And this is what you have. And you can also sync this out with opposite panel right here, just like this. And as you click, you can see that both of them collapses and expands right this as well. And this is how you can go ahead and then change out the screen mode as you like by pressing Shift F, and then change around the panel settings as you like inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.